From the leaders in thermal technology comes a UAV engineered for the pilot that wants to fly without geofencing, with dual visible and thermal sensors and data that is secure at a budget that every UAV pilot will appreciate. Introducing SIRAS, a secure infrared aerial system from Teledyne FLIR. Whether you're flying public safety missions, preventative maintenance programs for utilities and heavy industry, or inspections and surveys, the IP54 rated SIRAS has what your mission needs. Connect and be airborne in 60 seconds. And get eyes on scene fast, with a flight time of 31 minutes and no geofencing to inhibit your mission. Slung below the airframe is the View TV-128, featuring 16 megapixel visible imagery, 128 times zoom, and the battle-tested FLIR Boson high-resolution radiometric thermal camera. See more critical detail with FLIR's patented MSX technology. This easy-to-fly UAV uses front radar obstacle avoidance to keep you away from danger, and dual-band connectivity that guarantees a solid connection. Designed for data security, data is stored on board and not in the cloud. Pilots can fly knowing your data is safe and secure. SIRAS features hot swappable batteries to minimize downtime, and a quick connect gimbal so payloads can be swapped quickly and easily for expanding mission needs. Save time, save lives, and save budget with SIRAS, the enterprise UAV from Teledyne FLIR.